In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Smartwatch to Android phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you general instructions on how to connect any smartwatch model that you have with an Android device. Keep in mind that even though I'm going to be presenting general instructions on how to do this, it is going to differ for every single smartwatch out there. I cannot guarantee that these instructions are going to work for your particular model because every single model is different. So I always recommend checking the instructions for your particular one. But if you want some guidance on what to do and how to start, then follow along. First, most connections will require Bluetooth. So go into the settings of your Android device, find the connections category, and then look for Bluetooth. In here, just make sure that it is enabled. If you see the watch already appear on the list of available devices, then you can go ahead and choose it. This should connect it and you will be able to use it right away. But if it doesn't appear on the list, then don't worry, we can still do additional steps to ensure the connection works. So depending on the watch that you are using, it may request you to download a specific application. So for example, if you have a Redmi or Xiaomi watch, they are going to need the Mi Fitness app. As I've said in the beginning of the video, different watches might require different applications. So follow the prompts on screen and see if you need to download any specific applications. So for this particular Redmi Watch 4, download Mi Fitness, and inside of there you can find the devices category, where you have the option to add a new device. This is going to be similar for every single other application. So go into the devices, choose the option to add a new one, and as long as you have your watch in close proximity and Bluetooth has been enabled on your smartphone, they should be detected. See if there are any prompts on screen telling you to press a specific combination of buttons on the smartwatch, and if it tells you to press a specific button to enable pairing mode or go into the settings, then just follow those prompts. And as long as you enable Bluetooth on the smartwatch and your actual smartphone, you will be able to connect them both together. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect smartwatch to Android phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.